Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have completed till Mesolithic sites in India. And today we are going to start our next topic, that is rock paintings, precious remains of the past. So what is the meaning of precious? Precious means something which is very important or something which is having a great value. Remember, precious means something which is very important or something which is having a great value, that is known as precious. So rock paintings are the precious remains of the past. Why? Because like other physical evidences like pots, bones, jewelry, tools, which gives us the specific information about that particular period of time. Likewise, rock paintings also gives us the specific information and the knowledge about that particular period of time. That is why rock paintings are known as the precious remains of the past. Now see, one of the most important sources about the early humans are the rock paintings of the Stone Age found around the world. Means rock paintings are the one of the most important sources about the early human beings are the rock paintings, which gives us the specific information about the Stone Age, and these type of paintings are found around the world. Means all around the world in the different sites. These type of paintings were found in the different sites around the world. At the rock shelters of Bhimbetka, located in Madhya Pradesh, more than 500 paintings by Paleolithic and the Mesolithic age humans have been found. So Bhimbetka, which is in Madhya Pradesh, at that place more than 500 paintings by Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic age have been found. These caves have been listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So UNESCO stands for, remember, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. These heritage sites were listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. In most of these paintings, animals have been shown separately as a part of hunting scene or running after hunters. Birds, fish, lizards, crabs, frogs, and scorpions have also been drawn. Some paintings also show men and women. Red and white were most of the widely used colors. So, why early human beings only draw these things? Because they only drew that things they what they actually see by their eyes, right? वो लोग वही चीज़ें ड्रॉ करते थे जो वो एक्चुअली अपने आंखों से देखते थे. लाइक हंटिंग सीन, किसी को शिकार करते हुए देखते थे तो वो ड्रॉ करते थे. एनिमल्स को देखते थे, माउंटेन्स को देखते थे, रिवर्स को देखते थे. तो जो चीज़ें वो एक्चुअली अपने आइज से देखते थे वही चीज़ें वो लोग ड्रॉ करते थे. लाइक the part of hunting scene or the running after hunters, birds, fish, lizards, crabs, frogs, scorpions, men and women. And for draw these type of paintings, they mostly used red and white color. So in that image, rock shelters at Bhimbetka, you can see most of the image were drawn by the red and white color. So these are the most widely used color by the early human beings. Next is case study, the Deccan. Many prehistoric sites have been excavated in the Deccan. Some of these are Bori, Morgaon, Chirki, Nevasa, Isampur, Gunnor, Saswad Nars, Yedurwadi and Atiram Pakkam. Remember, that is not Atiram Pappam, that is Atiram Pakkam. So all these sites are characterized by the discovery of stone tools, hand axes, choppers, clavers and the scrapers among other tools. So in these sites like Bori, Morgaon, Chirki, Nevasa, Isampur, Gunnor, Saswad, Yedurwadi and Atirampakkam, these are the sites where different types of stone tools have been found about that prehistoric period, like Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic age. So these are the different types of stone tools like hand axes, choppers, clavers and the scrapers, and among the other tools which have been found in the Deccan at the different prehistoric sites. Likewise, the Hunsgi and the Bajbal Valley in the Deccan also have many Stone Age sites. Hunski and the Bajbal Valley in the Deccan also have the many prehistoric sites which have been found different types of stone found in these sites. If both the large and the small ones are taken into account, when we consider both the large one and the small ones also, then the number would cross 200. Many finished and unfinished stone tools have been found here. Unfinished means the crude tools. When early human beings started to making these type of tools, at that time they made just crude tools, that is known as unfinished tools, which are not having the proper shape or size. And the finished goods means in the next age, like Mesolithic age, they have started making the tools which are good, means having proper shape and size, known as the finished goods. It appears that early humans lived here over a very long period of time, because in the second age, the Mesolithic age, people are having more settled life as compared to the first age, Paleolithic age, right? Because in the second age, Mesolithic age, people were started growing their own food grains, right? They have started domestication of animals. That's why they have more settled life. They stay at one place and grow their own food. That is why they are having a more settled life, and they stay for a very long period of time. The stone tools found from the prehistoric sites of the Deccan are an important link with the past. Archaeologists are studying these tools carefully to find out how they were used. Now archaeologists are trying to study carefully about that tools, because if they understand about that tools, they will easily understand how they were used, means in which way the early human beings were used these type of tools. And in this way they would be able to understand how early humans lived, because early humans lived in jungles. So if we understand their different types of tools, then we will easily understand so how they lived in jungles, in which way they used their different types of tools, and what they ate at that time, and how they overcome the harsh living conditions of those times. Because at that time when they lived in jungles, at that time how they managed the different things, how they live in those conditions, because in jungles the conditions were not normal. So if we understand the tools, we will get the different types of information, that what they ate, how they use the different types of tools, and how they live in the different conditions of those times. So here we have completed our second lesson, and the objective questions I will send you on your WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a good day.